Hey everyone, welcome back to Gadgetverse, where high-performance hardware meets trusted insight. If you're a power user, content creator, or enthusiast building the ultimate rig, this one is for you. Today, we're reviewing the TEAMGROUP T-Create Expert Overclocking 10L DDR5 96GB kit, featuring two 48GB sticks, clocking in at an incredible 6800 MHz with tight CL36 latency. This is not just RAM, it's a productivity powerhouse. Let's dive into what makes this kit so impressive. At the heart of this memory is its capacity 96GB in total 2x 48GB. That's ideal for professionals who demand a lot of memory headroom. Think 4K 8K video editing, music production, 3D rendering, or running multiple VMS simultaneously. And because it's based on DDR5, it brings higher bandwidth and lower power consumption compared to DDR4. But it doesn't stop at capacity, it's also wicked fast. With a clock speed of 6800 MHz and CL36 latency, this kit delivers ultra-responsive performance and incredible multitasking. The secret weapon: it uses premium SK Hynix M-die, which is known for superior overclocking headroom, signal stability, and thermals. Despite the high speeds, this RAM runs cool and stable thanks to TEAMGROUP's 10-layer PCB design, hence the 10L, which helps with signal integrity and heat dissipation. The clean white heat spreader makes this perfect for minimalist or white-themed PC builds, especially when you want pro-level power without flashy RGB distractions. What really sets this kit apart is that it's built with creatives and workstations in mind. While gaming RAM often gets the spotlight, this is for the creators, developers, and engineers who need massive capacity and top-tier performance. And it supports both Intel XMP 3.0 and AMD EXPO, so whether you're on the latest Intel Z790 board or an AM5 Ryzen platform, setup is seamless. Here's a quick breakdown of the key specs. Capacity: 96GB 2x 48GB. Speed: 6800 MHz PC 5-54400. Latency: CL36-46-46-96. Voltage: 1.4 V. Die type: SK Hynix M-die. 10-layer PCB for stability and overclocking. Intel XMP 3.0 and AMD EXPO ready. Elegant matte white heat spreader. Non-RGB, professional aesthetic. Limited lifetime warranty. This kit is built for performance-driven professionals who want the best, whether you're editing 12-bit raw video, compiling code, or running large datasets. If you're serious about performance and want memory that matches your ambition, the T-Create Expert Overclocking DDR5 96GB kit is the one to get. Check the link in the description to grab yours on Amazon. And as always, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next high-performance drop only on Gadgetverse.